we're off to meet Kevin the Koala, who loves to sleep. So let's begin in our koala pose. Coming to lie on our backs, stretching our arms out long and taking our legs up to the sky. We twizzle one leg around the other and we wrap our arms around in a nice squidgy hug. Oh, what a lovely squishy koala pose. Kevin heads into the woods where he meets a funny bunny, reaching our arms all the way up and leaning over one way like a moon or a banana. She won't fly anywhere until we catch enough Zeds. Big breath in and blow. Up, up, up she flies. Nod really is a magical place. Now we grow, 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 grow up nice and tall. And we slowly fall like a weeping willow over our long leg. Drawing the soles of our feet together, knees out wide, we come into our treasure chest pose, lowering our nose to our toes. Ooh. He bids Captain Dream Bunny goodnight, and off he goes into his nook, to his crooked branch bed. Namaste.